so much to unpack in this video. We goof around a bit, we do some shopping, we try a new restaurant, and of course there's baking, and then we work on the house as well.
I ask you when
Show me how I act. Show me again, because I would like to get this video recorded to demonstrate
for demonstration.
for posterity.
This is for demonstration purposes.
This is for posterity.
When I stop you and I'm trying to tell you something, you tell me, I wanted to tell you something, and I say, well, and as I tell you, and as I'm still trying to tell you, you know what? I'm not gonna talk to you. And all of a sudden you go, I'm not gonna talk to you.
You are so full of malarkey.
That's
Look, I got a protector.
And then,
I have a protector. Come on, Max. Sick him. Sick him.
Go, Max.
Look, Henry won't protect. See, look at him. He backs up and he protects Mama. Good boy. Good boy. In case you're wondering what it's like to live with a Belgian Malinois, imagine a fur missile that doesn't have brakes and loves aggressively. But our little Max is just the most friendly and loving Malinois. He's not a typical Malinois. Come here, Max. Shit! Oh, God's sakes, he got me. We do have to be careful. He doesn't always know where his teeth are. And at one time, he caught my arm, and I had to go to the ER and get it taken care of. You got your nipple? Aww. Hi, bud. You're a good boy. Got the zoomies. Alright, let's make some focaccia. First, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And then I add a little bit of honey so it'll feed the yeast. You have to warm up the water. You don't want it too hot, just a little warm, around 110 degrees. Next, I'm going to add 4 cups of flour. I'm going to add some salt to the flour, and then a couple of teaspoons of yeast. Mix the dry ingredients together. To my water and honey mixture, I'm going to add some olive oil, and then I will add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix the dough well, and you will have a very sticky, moist dough. This is not a dough that you can knead by hand. This dough is going to require stretch and folds. Once it's risen for about a half hour, till about doubled, as you can see here it is quite sticky, you want to oil your hands, and then you want to stretch the edge toward the center. This is best done with 2 hands, but because I am holding the camera, it's hard to demonstrate with both hands. You let it rise again, and then you will do another stretch and fold. As you can see here, I'm using both my hands. You'll reach behind the dough and pull it up toward the center. You want to do this several times throughout the day. You let it rise for about a half hour, and then you do some more stretch and folds. You can see all the air in that dough. It'll make for a very fluffy, beautiful focaccia. Once you've done the stretch and fold several times, you want to put it into a parchment lined pan. I did put some olive oil on top of the parchment underneath the bread. Then, with your oiled hands, you want to just poke your fingers into the dough, just like this as I'm demonstrating. You're going to create some nice pockets for that olive oil to sit in. I then mixed together some Italian seasoning and garlic and sprinkled it across the top. It just adds a little flavoring. It's not a necessity. However, you do want to put some salt on the top of your focaccia dough. Bake at 425 until nice and brown and crispy. Now normally you want your bread to cool before you cut it, but I just couldn't wait to cut into it. You can just see all the little air pockets in there. And let's go ahead and taste it. It's crispy on the outside and just perfect melty on the inside. This focaccia turned out really good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I took the animals for a little walk down to the back of our property. It's been a while since we traveled back there. There were a lot of downed trees, but the dogs really seemed to enjoy the walk. Most interesting find yet. A golf ball on our land. Neither of us play golf. So look at this decor. Guma and I took a day to go shopping in San Antonio. We started our day at a new restaurant we had not gone to. It was called Caffeinated, and it was great food and great coffee. And the bathroom is all black. The toilet is black, the sink is black, the walls are black.
If somebody turns the light, you can't find it.
It's so weird. Guma got a latte, which he said tasted really good. And I got a Turkish coffee.
It smells strong. That's good. Needs sweetener, but it's good.
You want me to get just
Sure.
what would you like?
Splendid.
Guma did some coffee art using my Turkish coffee to spell out a word. There was a lot of background music, so I was unable to put the audio from the video in here. However, he got the garden omelet and a side of turkey bacon and some potatoes, and I got the turkey and avocado crepe. Fishermen, hunters, and other liars. We then traveled to Bass Pro Shop. Guma wanted to look for some shoes, and if you've never been there, it is quite the place. They have everything from clothing to hunting gear, and there's a lot of taxidermied animals. There's also a very large fish tank right next to the elevators. I think I found Guma's Christmas gifts. I found your Christmas gift.
Oh yeah.
Right up your alley, right?
Yeah.
Next, we headed to IKEA. Yeah, you could probably fit 6 people if you had to. Or
These are black.
we're not gonna get glasses.
You can.
We don't drink. I don't know if I would need lights inside the cabinets like that. And next, we headed to Costco, where Guma demonstrated how I behave. You're so dramatic.
Oh, did you hear that?
Thank you all for being here. This video has a lot of stuff in it, from working on our house, to baking, to trying new places, and to just having fun. I want to thank you all for being here, and especially to those who are here every week with us. It would really help our channel out if you gave us a like and subscribed if you're not already subscribed. And if you share this video so that other people can join in on our journey with building our house. Thanksgiving is coming up, and we're going to try to have our first Thanksgiving in our house. And to do that, we needed some place to eat. When we moved out here, we sold everything. We got rid of, well, maybe not everything, but most of what we had in our house that we had in San Antonio. So we don't have a place to sit and eat other than what's in the RV. And so we want to try and have our Thanksgiving in here. We're going to use our solar generator. We also have another generator that we need. We're going to set up our TV. We're going to set up a dining room table. We're going to set up a few chairs, and we're going to try to have our first Thanksgiving in our house. So today I'm going to put together our table. We went out to IKEA and found an inexpensive kitchen table that suits us, and for now it's going to work, and I'll bring you along to put it together. We'll see how easy it goes. Guma brought all the pieces in. You can see them there, and then I'm going to get started. I brought the dogs in, so the heavy panting you hear is the dogs. Oh, they were barking where they shouldn't be barking. Look at this picture. I guess our goal is to be here. So I guess you call, you figure out how to put it together, and you become happy. So that's going to be our goal. I walked out to go check on the bread, and Guma said, "What are you doing?" And I told him, "I am putting together the table." His response was, "That's my job." And he said, "You better do it right the first time." Because in all honesty, I've had to take things apart and redo them. There's a possibility that I may have them with this one too. But as I was walking in to check on the bread, I told him, "You know what? Just for that, I'm going to make all the chairs perfectly. But yours are going to have all loose screws." Of course, I'm kidding. We can do that